Stop yawning instantly. You can actually stop a yawn dead in its tracks just by touching the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Sounds impossible, right? But this simple trick can short-circuit your brain's yawn reflex on the spot. Here's what's happening. Yawning isn't just about being tired or bored, it's a complex reflex triggered by your brainstem. When you feel that yawn coming, your body's already started the process, but your tongue has a surprising amount of control. Firmly pressing your tongue to the roof of your mouth interrupts the chain reaction your brain uses to finish a yawn. It sends a different signal, kind of like hitting a reset button, and suddenly that urge to yawn just vanishes. Next time you're in a meeting, a class, or anywhere you can't be caught yawning, remember this trick. The moment you feel that yawn building, touch your tongue to the roof of your mouth, and watch the urge disappear like magic.